Hi, I'm Tomasz.
Hi, I'm Bartosz.
We would like to guide you through the use of bilateral platform by answering questions Bartosz is going to ask in your name. List of questions answered is in the video description. Let's begin.
First question of all, what is the main purpose of the platform?
Well, the main purpose of the platform is to ease the communication and cooperation between entities from Poland, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland on education, and hopefully to submit an application form in the education program.
And please, Tomek, tell me, how can I log into the platform and share there my ideas?
Well, there is an invitation link in the video description. So you just click on it, and if you have an account on Atlassian or Trello, you just need to log in. If you don't have, just follow the steps of the instruction there and register a new account for Trello. And yeah, then when you log in, you can add your idea, and I will show you how to do it on the board that I prepared for this question session. So if you have an idea, for example, for online math teaching, then you just add it here. You can also edit the description by clicking on the pencil there, and you may also add a more detailed description where you present your organization, your experience in the field, and something about the idea that you would like to develop. So when you do it, new idea, you save it. You may add also attachments if you already have done something with the idea. You may add maybe YouTube video, for example, in the comment section. You can join the section and you may add also other things, such as, for example, labels. And then I will answer why it is important later. But for example, it is for sectors others than VET and IT tools in education, including online learning. So it will help others to find the idea, but I will expand on it later.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I know how to share my ideas, but how can I contribute to ideas of others?
Well, for example, if there is an online math teaching idea, and I'm the other user, I haven't created it. So I may click on it and add, for example, a comment if I have something to tell about the idea. So Bartosz, maybe I will ask you to write a comment contributing to the idea to show others how it will appear on the card.
Okay, I'll try to do it. I click on the idea of online math teaching. Then I can have a comment, and it's a great idea. Well, check if it's visible on the screen.
Okay, so
do you have it?
I haven't refreshed the site, and I see that there is a new comment there. So I click on it, and I see the Bartosz reply to my idea that it is a great idea. I can add a reaction to it, and also I can reply to Bartosz, for example, by saying him thanks. So basically that's the communication that is on the platform and that could be useful. So we have already 125 users, so you may get some feedback and tribute from others on your idea. So it's very powerful tool for you. And of course, if the idea gets some interest, you may click on it and drag it into ideas working groups, because proposed ideas is the place where you put your idea, but if it gains interest, you move it to ideas working groups, so more people can see the ideas that are already developed. And if the idea is ready, I can move it to ready ideas as well.
Okay, that's great. You have mentioned that there is already 125 people registered with the platform, so it means that if any one of us could share our ideas, that there could be so much content and we can miss something. So how do we can keep track of the ideas we are interested in?
So the first thing are those labels that I have mentioned. So for example, if I click on it, I see what kind of information is behind this label. So in the main view, I see by looking at the colors that the idea is something that I'm interested in. So if I'm interested in IT tools in education, then I look for this dark blue color, because it means IT tools in education, including online learning. That is why it is so important to add label to your idea. The next thing, I can watch this particular card, this particular idea. I have created it, so watching it is by default, but you may check it when you add your own idea there. However, there is also one even more important feature there. You can join the board, this particular card. If you don't have this join button, just click on members, and there you can find yourself and add to this particular card. Why is it so important? It's because there is a place in the right upper corner where you have many information on the board. So if I click there on cards, I see here only cards that I'm a member of. So if you have added yourself to the card, then you don't need to go through the whole board to find your card you are interested in. You just need to visit this cards section here. And you have also a card called activity, where you have all the cards you watch and all the activities that are important and conducted on the board. So those two cards are very useful tools for you to keep track of the ideas that you like and the ideas that you have created. And of course, in the settings section, you have email notifications as well. So you may choose notification email frequency, and we recommend that you turn on email notifications. They should be turned on by default, but please check it and verify. They don't spam your email account, but you will be informed about any important changes there.
Okay, so I assume that not only the content I'm interested in is covered by this email notification, but also any other important announcement from the platform, yeah?
Yes, exactly. And speaking of other important announcements, you have also on the main board, I switched to this main board. You have a column for announcements. So all the important information on the platform is put here. So for example, information about first online workshop that was on December, about the second one, there will be information about the second call in the education program there, and many other important information for you.
Okay, thank you very much. And it could sound a little bit overwhelming and a lot of knowledge and a lot of tools, but how your support look like?
Well, we have some channels of supporting you. We keep track on every activity that you do on the platform. We receive notifications as well as you, those email notifications and informations on platform itself. There is the whole team to support you. So not only experts from Foundation for the Development of the Education System, but we have professional trainers who also are active on the platform. So if you struggle with something or want to want help in something, you just can get to us or the trainers. And of course, what I have mentioned before, there are workshops on the platform for its users, and they are led by those trainers. So they are done online, and you may attend them. And their area depends on your activity on the platform. So if we see that there are many ideas on particular subject or similar struggles in different ideas and different cooperation, then we will focus on it during the workshops. That is why it is so important to publish your work on the platform and the ideas here, because that's the way that we can support you in developing it into ready project ideas.
Okay, great. And this platform is mentioned to be a tool for linking us with a potential project partner. Is it possible to get a contact data from it?
Yes, we have a special area to get contact data and to put your data as well. So right here in the, I believe, 5th column, you have supplementary documents and contact database. To gain access to it, you must first fill in the survey available at Web Ankieta system. There is a link on the platform, and give us their permit to process your personal data. It's connected with GDPR. And then we can add you to special spreadsheet on Google Docs. And your data will be there, and you will gain access to others' data.
Okay, thank you. So can we use a platform to work on applications for the education program second call, which is starting tomorrow?
Yes, because the license for the platform is almost by the end of the year, and the call will end on April. So it is possible to work on the idea by the end of the call or even later if it's needed. So there's no problem, and it has some powerful tools for you to work on projects. You may even use this tool, Trello tool, to create your own boards. If you would like to cooperate without other users to see the content you create, most of the users are free of charge. So if you don't need very powerful very powerful tools there, free versions should be enough for you, so you are welcome to create it. And if you need support in creating such board for yourself, feel free to contact us.
Okay, thank you very much. It looks like a great tool. So thank you for answering all my questions.
Thank you. Enjoy using the platform. Bye.
Bye-bye.